So, I'm Sheriff mga guys. So, tapos, kung ano po ni kayo din Okay, so, hard kayo mag-sheriff ka guys. Kaya tanawa ang nails nato guys. Martag, kuan ta guys. Ano guys, kaya hard kayo yung voice. Hard kayo guys. Sorry. Hard kayo mag-voice guys. Hoy, di ka makatarong. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm mad.
Ito ng item. Accept ko ba ito? Sino to?
Ala, sorry. Hindi ko ba na-shoot? Oh my God, guys. Bakit hindi niya pinatay si Sarina? Oh my God, guys. Teaming pala sila, guys. So, oh my God, guys. Guys, oh my God, guys. What the fuck, guys? Ngayon, guys, nagkuhan po ako, guys. Did you just see that, guys? Ay, fuck. Ano naman ito, guys? Mga teaming, guys. Okay, guys. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you what does my nails look like. That's okay, guys. This was very difficult for me to shoot. My God. Uy, katula sa inyo ko. Oh my God, guys, it's so difficult to be. Ay, dapat mo yung YouTube eh. Okay guys, so tatago po tayo guys kay Insulenta. Kaya para makatarong siya. Nga, mag-nails lang ko eh. Oh my gosh, guys. So, gusto ko pa rin yung magkuha ng nails, guys. Okay, guys. So, ang nails pala, guys. Okay. Yung Merd ay isang ghost user. Ha? Ako di. Oh my God, guys. Yan lang, guys. I'm just gonna go to this. Ako di. Tanggala, tapos ibuta untuk balik. Oh my God.
Ay! Ba't ba ka pinatay? Ikaw sheriff eh. Sheriff ka. Sheriff ka.